As the 2G controversy hits the UPA2 harder with every passing day, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has now come out in defense of Home Minister P. Chidambaram, who's the latest to be pulled into the 2G mess. Remember, this is the second time the Prime Minister has voiced his support for Chidambaram, all the while maintaining that he has full confidence not only in the Home Minister but also Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee, whose note criticizing Chidambaram is what triggered the controversy in the first place.
Of course, all my ministers, and they are, I think, ministers who enjoy my confidence in full measure.
चिदम्बरम का स्थान वही है तिहाड़ जेल में जो श्री ए राजा का सेल है। उसी सेल में चिदम्बरम जी को जाना चाहिए। और जहां तक प्रधानमंत्री जी का सवाल है, उन्होंने कहा कि उनका पूरा विश्वास है, पहले भी था, आज भी है, श्री चिदम्बरम के प्रति। तो जाहिर है वो कहेंगे, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री जी पूरी तरह कॉम्प्लिसिट हैं।
अखबार खोलते हैं तो सोच यही होती है शायद आज कौन अंदर गया हो। आज किसकी बारी होगी? जैसे हमारे यहाँ पतंग के समय होता है ना, ये गया ऐसा करते था। इसमें जैसे ये गया और ABC करते करते चल रहा है। एक की बारी आ गई, बी की आ गई, सी की आ जाएगी, ऐसे ही चल रहा है।
Well, yes, the Prime Minister was leaving a bilateral meeting at the United Nations when he had a brief interaction with reporters on his way out. When asked about the pressure from the opposition on Home Minister P. Chidambaram's resignation and demanding his resignation, Dr. Singh said that it was the business of the opposition to oppose the government in power. He downplayed the opposition's demands, saying that it was nothing unusual. He was also asked whether he would back Pranab Mukherjee's finance minister as he had backed P. Chidambaram, and he answered diplomatically that all his ministers enjoyed his confidence in full measure. Now, Dr. Singh had earlier spoken to P. Chidambaram for 20 minutes on the 2G crisis from Frankfurt while he was on his way to the United Nations to speak at the UN General Assembly. Now, after that conversation too, he had told reporters the same thing, that Chidambaram enjoyed his full confidence and that there were no divisions within the cabinet. So the Prime Minister once again along those lines saying that there really aren't issues here to emphasize and that everything is well within his cabinet.